Hello everyone, welcome to the first class of web development. In this first class, we will be learning what are all the required softwares and the tools that are to be installed for web development. So for this, we need an extension or a software which is called as Visual Studio Code. So this Visual Studio Code is really a very biggest platform where you can be using all different kinds of programming languages like Python, C, C#, C++, Java, and many more. So in this itself, we'll also be working with the HTML, CSS, and other codings. So here you can see the download for Windows button and click on it. So hereby automatically the download will be started. So I actually downloaded, so I'm not going to do it again. So once you complete the installation process of the Visual Studio Code, this is how the interface is going to be. So in this, I'll be starting a new folder as open folder. In this, in the desktop, I'll be creating a new folder and I'll name it as lectures. That's good. And I'll select the folder. And here you go, a Windows is open. And when you go to the desktop, you can see that already a folder called lecture has been created. When you hover at the top left side, you can see this lecture folder section, which is actually empty. And when you click on this new file, a name bar will be opened. So let's type something called index.html. So when you type this HTML, you can see that we got a change in the symbol with tags. So this tags is the symbol for the HTML. And when you press enter, then you can find the indication. So this is how basically an editor for HTML is used in Visual Studio Code. And in the next session, we will be learning how we can develop websites with the HTML itself. Thank you.